for beginners. The art and science behind
Listen to what he about to tell
Jewish numerology.
Listen.
We all know that language, and therefore words, carry power. We just see that from the fact that it's the key to communication, the communication of our feelings to one another, whether it's from the earliest childhood, formative years, communication of love, also, unfortunately, the communication of anger.
Write it down.
So words carry power. They carry our expression, they carry our intentions, they carry our personality, our
watch the whole video.
Our passion, our emotions, and so on. And words are made up of letters. And very often, though we use this tool at our disposal all the time, it's called communicating, speaking, crying, singing, all the different forms of expression of words, whether it's through speaking or also through writing, which is also words. We don't often pay attention to the exact science and art that lies behind these words. So in truth is the discussion of numerology, or the Hebrew word gematria, which comes from a Greek geometria, which is geometry. Essentially, it's the study of numbers.
Yeah.
But gematria particularly refers to the power and the energy that lies in the numbers that correspond to each letter, which I shall soon explain. But I think it's important to first discuss what letters and words are in general. Because I said, though we use words all the time, as I'm doing right now, and we use them hopefully for good purposes, but we also sometimes use them for unhealthy purposes, destructive ones, we have to realize that words are energy. Words are energy. As a matter of fact, the word for words in Hebrew, which is a milah, is made up of oisius. Words are made up of letters. Every word is made up of letters. And the word ois in Hebrew comes from the word asa boiker. And the morning has arrived, has risen. The dawn has risen. The morning has arrived.
I'm going to show y'all a couple more videos on
refers to an arrival. We call it transmission. It's a transmission of energy. So though a letter on its own is hollow, you just have an A, a B, a C, a D. But if you combine the letters, let's say you combine the letter G-O-O-D, it takes on a whole different meaning, more than the sum of the parts, because each of the letters has its particular energy, and combining them creates a new energy, a new synergy, you can say, which conveys the feelings that are conveyed when you say the word good. Now, it's important also to point out that I'm going to be speaking primarily about Hebrew language,